Hi everyone, welcome to the Astrology One podcast. I am Ankit Pandey. Today we have a very special guest with us. Um, he's done his Bachelor of Engineering from Delhi Technological University, or DCE as it was earlier called, in 1984, even before the time I was born. He started his career in software engineering and software development and progressed on to leading positions as managing director and various CXO level positions. Later, he also forayed into education field, and he was instrumental in setting up pan-India chain of over 35 CBSE schools and a private university as well. Without further ado, let me welcome Manoj Srivastav online. Manoj sir has been my colleague at Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. We've studied Jyotish Acharya together under the aegis of world-renowned astrologer Sri K.N. Rao. To channel his instincts, he's also recently, in the past few years, founded an astrological website and an app called astrolink.com. Um, Please, Manoj sir, welcome to the show. Tell us about your journey and how did astrology come into being, starting from your engineering days.
Yeah, thank you, Ankit, and welcome everyone. Um, to begin with, I belong to a place called Bareilly, in UP, and I didn't really have much exposure to astrology there. There were supposed to be one or two very good astrologers there, but we never went there. Here in Delhi, also when I did my engineering and joined the uh, software company, at that time, I had absolutely no inclination or exposure to astrology. But as later I mentioned to you earlier also, we found out that something happened. The Jupiter Mahadasha started, and, and suddenly a very junior level person joined in my group who was interested in astrology. He was sick, but he was interested in astrology, and so he was talking about all these things, Mahadasha, की ऐसी है, वो है. I couldn't follow him at all.
Okay.
After some time, um, another person joined in my team at a senior level, but I didn't have time to learn anything from him.
Okay.
Though he was very interested in teaching it to me, he used to tell me, he kept telling me about astrology and this thing, this is the time when you expect this, and that used to happen, which
Huh.
um, somehow made me interested. So I tried to learn it from him, but due to lack of time, I used to come home and offload it onto my wife, who was also
अच्छा.
busy in her own work.
This
But
was this was which year? कौन से साल की बात है ये?
this was around 95, 94,
अच्छा.
95,
Okay, that long. अच्छा. Uh-huh.
midway through the Jupiter Mahadasha.
हाँ.
So that was, she was also busy. She was also teaching in Delhi University electronics only.
अच्छा.
So absolutely no background to astrology. But with a mathematical bent of mind, we both kept discussing those things. And she brought some books and pursued it on her own. And life went on. There were
हाँ.
Jupiter Mahadasha ended, and the most dreaded Mahadasha of all, the Shani Mahadasha started. It brought along its own set of events. forced me na, to analyze what is happening, why suddenly all this is happening. That was a time when I was busy in setting up this private university,
Okay.
and I had a lot of time, and so I actually started developing something in Excel for my own
Okay.
use.
Acha.
Um, the idea was that yeah, there are lots of astrology websites and apps, and so there was no use of developing anything new in that area. But I wanted to uh, analyze my own dasha up to even greater level uh, than those apps would provide. So I developed dasha, um, this Vinshottari dasha chart
Okay.
in Excel.
In Excel only. Acha.
हाँ, तो जैसे होता है महादशा, अंतरदशा, प्रत्यांतर दशा, and I didn't know what the further breakdown would be called, so I called it Pratipratyantar Dasha and
अच्छा.
Pratipratyantar Dasha, and so I developed that in Excel and then mapped them to the events.
Okay.
After that, I realized that this is Excel is taking a lot of time, and there has to be something on the desktop, um, or better still, on web.
हाँ हाँ
So
हाँ.
that's how schooling got started. When we started schooling, it was just a dasha calculation tool up to 5 level.
हाँ हाँ. Right, right, right.
So one would
So this
this is
was which year जब आपने Excel पे पूरा setup किया?
Excel में किया था. I think it was 2012,
अच्छा.
2012.
So 1995 में you gained little bit of this thing कि अच्छा कुछ चल रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है, people started talking to you, you also started reading, and जितना समझ में आ रहा था आप अपनी वाइफ को बता रहे थे सब कुछ आके.
Yeah. Then
So
we
your
want.
wife then did a structured this thing
Hmm.
in some sense कि उन्होंने पढ़ाई करी, एंड फिर इतने साल बाद आपने कहा कि अच्छा अब मैं इसके ऊपर प्रॉपर्ली काम करता
वो
हूँ.
इतने साल बीच में ऐसा नहीं है, उस साल में भी बीच में वो तो she started predicting things for family members and friends. She used
अच्छा.
to receive calls from all over the world
हाँ.
by word of mouth. So, and I also used to sit and analyze with her and things like that. So I had proper background, but I really didn't know how to whether it is useful to create that kind of app which will also generate a horoscope and such things. So it was like too cumbersome,
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
sounded like that. So I basically my passion was that matching the events with my Mahadasha table. So I developed that interface on the web. People were supposed to enter their uh, not birth date but time birthplace, but positions of all the planets.
अच्छा.
That
अच्छा,
was,
फर्स्ट टूल ऐसा बना था, फर्स्ट
uh,
टाइम एस्ट्रोलिंक और लाइक दैट. अच्छा.
so
ओके.
the entire thing had to be copied from some app
हाँ
onto this Astrolink site, and then it will create a uh, map
हाँ
basically
हाँ.
up to 5 levels, and
बट
then
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
so then I started thinking that now we should, instead of just restricting ourselves to dashas, we should also map to transits
हम्म.
somehow. Now, where should the planetary positions for each day, each year, all those should come from? So I just picked up some data from um, site used by NASA also, and I downloaded the data from there for the planetary position and started mapping the event to the transits also.
अच्छा.
Then suddenly I realized that now I have the data to make the first chart myself instead of depending on others.
Right, right, right.
So that's how the Astrolink
अच्छा.
basics are put together.
That was the start. But I
Apart
think this is from a product perspective, and मैं घूम फिर के प्रोडक्ट पे ही आता हूँ हमेशा,
from
राइट, बिकॉज एज अ कोर प्रोडक्ट पर्सपेक्टिव से ये एमवीपी के तौर पे तो बहुत अच्छी चीज है कि फर्स्ट लेवल पूरी कैलकुलेशन सेटअप नहीं करी कि अच्छा मुझे डेट टाइम बर्थ बताओ. सबसे पहले आप लाके बस प्लैनेट्स ही बता दो, क्योंकि और ऐप्स हैं
no,
उनमें वो चीज मिल
no.
रही है. आप प्लैनेट्स लाके बताओ, उनकी एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन बताओ,
Hmm.
एंड देन उससे चार्ट बन जाएगा, राइट. सो
Hmm.
इसमें फर्स्ट वर्जन में क्या क्या चीजें थी, आपने क्या क्या डाला हुआ था उसमें, लाइक व्हाट
Basically,
ऑल कुड
it
पीपल सी?
was to use the cliche. It was Swanta Sukhaye, not for others use. अपनी खुशी के लिए बनाया
अच्छा
था.
अच्छा.
हाँ,
हाँ.
तो not many features were added, but it, it was primarily that event mapping. So
हाँ. हाँ.
event can be mapped with dashas and satis and transits and
अच्छा.
so and then when I started making a birth chart also, the problem was there were many problems basically. Let's not go into details. Um, the ascendant calculation and all that.
हाँ.
Then I
मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट पार्ट्स, यस.
most difficult one. So, but somehow it was done. Took time, and um, that module was already there, the mapping module, which
या.
fits perfectly now with the auto-generated birth chart rather than
हाँ. हाँ. हाँ.
the entire thing.
राइट राइट राइट.
So,
राइट.
that was there. Basically, that is the and then it was formally launched the beta version. It is still beta. It was launched, I think, in 2015, late,
15. अच्छा.
late 14 or early 15.
ओके. ओके.
Mm.
नाइस. So right now from what I see, it has pretty much all the features that are required, right? मतलब एक एक यूजर जाएगा एंड इट नाउ एग्जिस्ट ऑन मल्टीपल प्लेटफॉर्म्स. आई थिंक मे बी द इनिशियल वर्जन शायद आपका सिर्फ उसी पे रहा होगा, वेब पे ही रहा होगा, या राइट,
Web
बट
पर
नाउ
है. It was there was
नाउ यू हैव एप्स आल्सो, सभी कुछ है.
in fact in 2013 itself there was a PHP based web version,
हाँ. अच्छा.
but it was not launched in a big way and such thing. It only the URL was there, of course,
हाँ.
and some 4 or 5 friends of mine knew that it existed. Then we rewrote the whole thing in Python and developed the app in house. Mm, and that was launched in, as I mentioned, 2015.
ओके.
So now it is on iOS, Android, and of course the web.
राइट राइट राइट. तो अभी हाउ वेयर इज इट हेडेड, लाइक अभी आप इसमें और फीचर्स डालने की कुछ सोच रहे हो, या आप अभी इसकी मार्केटिंग के ऊपर फोकस कर रहे हो थोड़ा, या इसके प्रेडिक्शंस और बेटर कर, व्हाट इज द वे अहेड दैट यू आर
The
लुकिंग एट?
vision is to develop it as a tool only. There are far too many astrology websites giving predictions and matching horoscopes and things like that. So even though those things are required
हाँ.
in Astrolink also, those things are there to some extent because people expect them. And but the idea is it should be used by people doing astrological research.
राइट.
So
ओके. नाइस.
primarily it should be used for that.
राइट राइट राइट. सो एंड आई थिंक इस पे एक बार हमारी शायद पहले ही बात हुई. सो फ्रॉम व्हाट आई सी देयर आर टू सेगमेंट्स ऑफ पीपल जो कि एस्ट्रोलॉजी ऐप यूज करने आ रहे हैं, apps या websites, right? So one is obviously the astrologers who already are there, जिनको आइडिया है एस्ट्रोलॉजी के बारे में, मे बी देव स्टडीड अ लॉट, they are already on that path. And the second ones are people who want to get some sort of predictions, right? तो ये दो दो अलग सेगमेंट्स हैं जिनको मैं देखता हूँ कि कुछ लोगों को एस्ट्रोलॉजी के बारे में पता है, कुछ लोगों को बिल्कुल भी आइडिया नहीं है. So what you're saying is कि astrolinked, while it is probably more towards people who understand astrology a bit, है ना? वो क्या?
Yeah, and no
हाँ,
also. Um, of course, if you when you create something and you publish it on the web, you want people, lots and lots of people to come and just use it for whatever they want.
right,
So one of the initial things which we did was we entered a lot of celebrity horoscope data. Some of them mapped their life events also. For
right,
example,
right, right,
some people keep talking about some celebrities about their lives and things like that, like Shah Rukh Khan misses his father, his mother, like those details are also there with us. The horoscope data is
right,
available on so many sites. So I created some celebrity horoscope and international celebrity horoscope also, and
अच्छा,
a lot of people started coming to the site through Google search.
right, right, right,
So people are searching for Donald Trump's birth details and his personality traits, Mahatma Gandhi's personality traits, something like that. Narendra Modi,
right, 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 right,
and whatnot. So that's those are the kind of people who are coming to the site and they feel that okay, there's something there. Only 10% of them continue and explore something else, and out of those 10%, another 10%. So basically, overall, 1% of the traffic stays and does the real work on the site. That is
right,
mapping their life events and doing what I want actually the site to deliver.
right, right, right.
So and yeah,
So when we talk about, like आप जैसे बता रहे हो कि अच्छा around 8% लोग हैं who are actually doing something constructive in the site, which is actually helping the site grow as well as helping them also,
yeah,
right? कि they stick to the platform and they utilize all the different facets within
yeah.
it. Um, इस प्रोसेस में are you able to um, push something on the field within the field of research, right? In whatever form, I don't know, maybe individual research या कुछ उस टाइप की चीजें भी प्लेटफॉर्म से निकल के आ रही हैं आपने जो देखा है पिछले इतने सालों में.
There are some budding astrologers who are using the site. 4 5 of them. Um, they are in touch with me also, but without me being in the loop also, I come to know uh, through their posts on Facebook and other things that they are using it and uh, basically utilizing the
Okay,
system. So,
nice.
but right now there's so many people who are using the site. Uh, I don't know them. I I have the email ID and
Right, right, right,
sometimes some people are asking me for questions and I am responding to them also. And that way some communication channel also opens. But apart from that, I have not yet advertised properly for the site, and people don't know that any such thing exists. Basically, uh, for their use free of charge.
Right, right, right. Okay. So where do you see this headed now? मतलब अभी आप what is it that you're looking for in the future with respect to primarily the platform?
Um, I, I want it to be used as the most preferred tool for re- research and research basically. So there should be lots of horoscopes with life events, with data, and you do the birth time rectification on the site based on that data.
Mm-hmm.
So
Right,
you enter the life events and then try to change the date and time of birth basically to see if it is actually mapping with the actual life events or not.
right, right, right.
So basically, I am now thinking of creating a forum where such people can communicate with each other. There are thousands of people. There are at least thousand users who are actively using it, but I really don't know what they are doing.
Right. Makes sense. I think yes. Research is obviously the more research there is, the more data there
Yeah.
is, it will start giving much more better results. Right. So what I also wanted to ask is see, you've been in this domain for almost like 25-30 years or so. मतलब आप देख ही रहे हो आसपास किस तरीके की चीजें
Uh,
हो रही हैं. बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स आपके सामने ग्रो भी किए हैं. काफी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स आए और चले भी गए होंगे. All of those things might be happening. And you've also seen the रिसर्च कम्युनिटी कि किस तरीके से चीजें हो रही हैं, किस तरीके से रिसर्च हो रही है विद इन डिफरेंट इंस्टीट्यूशंस, राइट. फ्रॉम व्हाट आई नो, अच्छा हमारी भारतीय विद्या भवन की तो अलग जर्नल आती है और भी कुछ इंस्टीट्यूशंस की आती हैं, राइट. वेयर डू यू सी इज दैट एंटायर रिसर्च स्पेस सॉर्ट ऑफ हेडेड विद द टूल्स एंड विद एवरीथिंग, एंड उसमें कुछ ऐसी चीजें जो आपको लगता है कि अच्छा दे आर प्रॉब्ली रिक्वायर्ड, टाइम आ गया है और वो चीजें होनी चाहिए जल्दी.
um, People who are really interested in research are very, very few. In the entire batch at Bharati Vidya Bhavan, um, there will be hardly any people or just two or three per batch. And the batch, when I say batch means 150 or 200 people. Out of it, only two or three will be interested in research. Rest all are just trying to learn it for their own use or becoming a professional astrologer.
Mm-hmm.
Now there is a problem. Uh, One thing is that I see there is a big problem with the kind of people um, that are there in astrology field right now. So we have to get people for research from that pool of people only, basically.
Right.
There right now. The, the thing is to basically people are too much rooted into Indian or I should say Hindu culture and belief. So first of all, astrology has to be seen as a proper subject, proper science or subject which has multiple branches. And ours is only one of those branches, the
Right.
basic astrology or this predictive technique that we are using. But generally, what happens is that people are trying their hands on different aspects of not only astrology but related things also. for example, tarot card and other things. So uh, that is a well-defined science. I'm not saying that it should not be there. It should be there, but then it should not be confused with the astrology. Every astrologer doesn't have to be a tarot reader. But right now, the thing is that people come to me for my site and they say, आप न्यूमरोलॉजी भी ऐड कर दीजिए, टैरो भी ऐड कर दीजिए, ये भी कर दीजिए. Everything should be there. In fact, I I started adding all those things also. In this,
अच्छा.
numerology is also there, and articles on tarot are there, and lots of things. Um, Now, within Vedic astrology, also there are KP, Krishnamurti Paddhati, or Nadi astrology, and such things are
Right.
there, which are totally different. Nakshatra is a different altogether. So we should stick to one particular area and uh, just try to master that
Right. Right. Right.
rather than spreading ourselves on trying our hands on multiple aspects.
Mm-hmm. Right.
So,
Right. Right.
and then another thing is that when people enter this area of astrology, and you have with this background like you and me, science background basically, so we start uh, trying to convince people that this is also science. This should also be respected. I mean, we don't have to do all this. Just stick to a basic uh, thing. The promotion of astrology will happen automatically. Um, so the research, I would say, I am willing to even have source code open to those who are willing to help and do whatever it is. But the major part will be the data. It should be authentic, useful data in terms of the birth details and
Right.
life events, basically. Now, what I was thinking was that again, not everyone would. The practical aspect is that everyone would not like to give perhaps names, but
Right.
they can always give birth details and with some names
Yeah.
XYZ.
Yeah.
So, and life event, even for celebrities also, we don't know their real date of birth. And the year is different. Sometimes the dates are different, and time is certainly not there. So for that, we can try birth time rectification and develop this huge set of uh, horoscopes with at least mm, 50 to 100 life events, and then that should be the beginning point for our research.
Right. 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 Okay. So I understood two, rather three or four issues. So one was, first you pointed out that yes, there are really few people who are actually interested in research.
Mm.
मतलब जितने पढ़ने भी आ रहे हैं उसमें शायद 1-2% शायद होंगे जो एक्चुअल में इंटरेस्टेड होंगे और रिसर्च को कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं आगे. The next you mention is obviously there is some bit of um, lack of data in some sense, like you said, right? कि लोग काफी सारे हैं, पोर्टल पे आ रहे हैं, डेटा एट टाइम्स कम दिख रहा है, एंड दे आर नॉट इवन वेरी वेरी श्योर कि अच्छा वो डेटा एक्चुअली उतना है कि नहीं है. The third that you also mentioned was around focus.
Mm.
That if there is an astrologer who is starting out or maybe at a certain level, they should be focusing on a certain specific field विद इन इवन एस्ट्रोलॉजी, मतलब सिर्फ वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी में हम देखें इतनी सारे वो हैं फील्ड्स हैं, उसी में भी सिर्फ एक ही में फोकस करके उसी में आगे बढ़ते रहे, रादर देन
Yeah.
jumping on from one to the other to the other one, right? What I also want to understand, and what is your viewpoint on this? Right now, there is hardly any incentivization with respect to research, right? कि अगर साइंस में रिसर्च हम देखते हैं तो यस, आपके पेपर्स पब्लिश हो सकते हैं, उनके ऊपर पीयर रिव्यूज होते हैं, वो फिर कोटेशन होती हैं अलग अलग जगह पे, राइट? एंड you can get some monetary benefit out of it. I don't know how much it happens, but yes, when you're putting it in a portal, maybe there is some bit of compensation that the portal gives you. At times, even the companies who are utilizing it with other people who are utilizing it, उनसे भी कुछ रॉयल्टी तो आपको मिलती होगी. Out here with an astrology, I don't think that is the case at all. मतलब कल को किसी एस्ट्रोलॉजर ने 10 साल लगा के कोई रिसर्च करी और एक पेपर पब्लिश किया या कुछ भी उस टाइप की चीज, उसके रिजल्ट को सब लोग यूज कर लेंगे, बट उससे उसको कोई बेनिफिट नहीं हो रहा, राइट? सो एनी
Yeah.
थॉट्स अराउंड दिस?
See, you're not comparing apples with apples. Scientific research is based on the subject that they are taught in school to learn to they are forced to learn science basically right from the beginning. Okay, because they have to earn their livelihood, and earning their livelihood is one thing, and on top of that, if they are do research, they get an incentive to add on to that. Now in astrology, by learning astrology you are getting zero. So the incentive also will be of that zero only. So you should be very clear that it should not be um, something which which is profit making, or which will give you lots of money. So, like, I'm surprised at the number of teachers who are there that are working with their own excellent teachers with good background. They are not there for money. So, this kind of people should be brought on one platform, and these are what I am referring to. And
They've
if
been
it will,
teaching passionately for decades now without any incentivization, without anything in return. सेवा भाव पे ही
हाँ सेवा
पढ़ा भी
भाव
रहे हैं.
और
हाँ.
कुछ उनकी के राव सर के एक कृपा दृष्टि पड़ जाए
राइट.
नहीं.
बट इस पे एक और सवाल उठता है, और ये आई थिंक दिस इज बिन इन आवर सर्कल फॉर क्वाइट अ वाइल, कि अगर आज का जो टाइम है, आज जिस तरीके से चीजें चलती हैं, अगर इंसेंटिवाइजेशन नहीं होगा तो it becomes very difficult for a person to actually put time, invest time into it. And then the problem that creates is कि अच्छा, even if you are pursuing it as a hobby या as a spiritual path, कि मेरा spiritual journey is astrology, so I am trying to dedicate half an hour, 2 hours every day on a daily basis. But unless it becomes a source of compensation for the person, they will not be able to put in that much of time. तो जो चीज शायद 2 साल में हो सकती है, 3 साल में हो सकती है, वो 10-15 साल ले लेंगे. That is another thought that I have seen people talk about in some sense.
Yeah. Yeah, I am not denying that is important, but practically, if you think of it, you can do your predictions and earn from those predictions. And there are, I've heard of people who are making a lot of money and they're running it like a very good business,
Yeah, absolutely.
but they will not have time to for research. They will also not
हाँ,
have
वो बात
time
है.
to do research. So research, those people will only come who have the inclination, who have the aptitude also for research and time also. because they don't use it for making money. So those
Right,
people
right,
will come there, and the incentive will be in the form of the recognition and in the form of the results that the research will throw.
right, right, right. Yeah, and that makes sense. I think yes.
Mm.
Now coming back to the overall domain, astrology domain. So with respect to टेक्नोलॉजी कमिंग इन एंड इतनी सारी चीजें एंड टेक्नोलॉजी काफी पहले से आ गई थी मतलब 90s से ही दिख रहा था कि यस देयर आर algorithms and everything being coded onto a computer and a machine. Where do you see this headed now? You coming from that entire background of an engineering background, you obviously understand कि अच्छा आईटी फील्ड में भी इस तरीके से I mean, pace increase हो रही है regularly, accelerate हो रही है actually, right? We're talking about AI, we're talking about machine learning, we're talking about all those kind of things, and nanotechnology also. अब so it's just there is this sudden boom जो कि पिछले 15 साल में दिख रहा है लोगों को होता हुआ. Now, with the where do you see that sort of helping astrology or creating problems? What are your thoughts around this?
Mm. Um, it is very much in line with what astrology is trying to do with AI and all. It is being called AI, but what is being done in astrology is also the same thing. Over the
Right.
years, this is if these parameters are there, then this is the result. This is primarily the same thing as AI. It is good that so many people are talking about it now for so many years, and so everything I think it is what personally I believe is everything is moving towards astrology and everything will move into it. All these things are basically coming to that only. All the scientific advances and everything, the end result will be they would like to predict what is going to happen in the future on which they don't happen. So they are cloning the human body, they are doing this, that. They will try to know what is the best time to create a body to basically to do the reverse engineering on Mahadashas and what
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
these
Right.
are something which are very difficult to comprehend right now, but this is something which will certainly happen. Uh, so whatever is happening these days, any advancement, I see it as moving towards as the line of stars.
The line of astrology only.
Yes.
Right, because primarily है तो prediction का ही game हर जगह, right? And with all sorts of big data, everything they're trying to predict only.
So they
And
are
वो
talking
prediction,
about big data.
हाँ,
Astrology has already been using big data only.
already been on big data only. The algorithms, yes, हम astrologer के साथ मुझे लगता है सिर्फ एक चीज है, हमारे पास algorithm पूरे हैं, हमारे पास data की कमी रहती है. But yes, okay.
Yeah, but all those old people with mm, somehow they manage the whole thing.
They manage
Yes.
without that data as well. Yes.
No, they had the data. They had the data and everything, and they memorized the whole thing and passed it on to generation.
Right, 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 right.
But then again, we should not be um, we should not stick to those things like the scriptures have said this, so this is going to happen. Some of the things have to be discarded also with time. Okay, just, just imagine if Parashar had written something, and after 6, 7 years, 10 years, 12 years, if he wrote another book and he found that, oh, in the first book which I wrote, um, some things have to be changed, he will discard.
Yeah,
So,
right.
so we should also,
Look at everything from that perspective.
yeah.
Yes. Mhm. I remember, हाँ, अमित से जब बात हुई थी लास्ट मंथ, अमित सक्सेना, he was also mentioning the exact same thing कि while we should stick to the basics, but wherever we feel that a particular theory comes in which is not exactly fitting the larger spectrum of the cases in today's world, we should continue to test it, but at a certain point of time discard it as well. कि अब उससे चीजें बदल चुकी हैं, चीजें आगे बढ़ चुकी हैं, 200 400 हजार 1,500 साल हो गए हैं वो
हाँ,
किताबें
हाँ,
लिखे हुए।
और ये भी तैयार रहना चाहिए इस चीज के लिए कि जो आज हम कर रहे हैं ये भी डिस्कार्ड होगा आगे
हाँ,
चल।
ऑब्वियसली, यस, राइट,
क्यों होगा? इसलिए होगा क्योंकि इसकी भी कुछ दशा चल रही है, एस्ट्रोलॉजी की अपनी भी कोई दशा होगी ना।
यस, यस, आई
एक
एग्री।
एस्ट्रोलॉजर की दशा होती है। आई फर्मली बिलीव दैट those who are making very good predictions at some particular time, everything that they say comes true, and after some time you see that it doesn't remain that way forever.
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ,
And then
आई
you
हैव सीन, यस, आई हैव मेट फ्यू एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स जिनके साथ ऐसा हुआ भी है।
hmm,
आई हैव मेट अदर्स हु जेन्युइनली अंडरस्टूड कि अच्छा ये वाला टाइम पीरियड शायद मेरे लिए अच्छा नहीं है, तो
hmm,
मैं इस टाइम पीरियड में प्रेडिक्शन नहीं करने वाला,
hmm,
कुछ टाइम के लिए छोड़ देता हूँ। आई रिमेम्बर, जैसे इफ यू गो टू बारबरा पिजन्स वेबसाइट ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस,
yeah.
तो उनकी वेबसाइट पे दैट रेगुलरली हैपेंस दैट आई विल नॉट बी टेकिंग एनी कंसल्टेशन टिल सो एंड सो डेट, और टिल सो एंड दैट्स अ लॉन्ग पीरियड, लाइक 1.5 साल का पीरियड, 2 साल के पीरियड बीच में वो कहती हैं कि नहीं, आई वोंट बी टेकिंग एनी कंसल्टेशंस, which is probably looking at it from that perspective also. So, but yes, makes sense. I understand. So, coming back to research a bit, so is there something that you are personally researching on, or that you're looking out for कि अच्छा मैं थोड़ा बहुत रेगुलर इसके ऊपर काम करता रहता हूँ? I know your product will probably be taking the maximum most of your time, but उसके अलावा आप एस्ट्रोलॉजी पे कैसे आप फोकस करते हो? उसमें कुछ कर रहे हो आप?
You nailed it when you said that my entire time goes into product development. I don't
हाँ,
consider myself as a hardcore astrologer right now, but I would like to focus my energies on one very basic thing, which is first time rectification techniques. So, because that will be the basis of all the data collection. Okay. So that is one thing which will be there, and some questions which cannot be answered. Uh, these days, I'm going through some of the nakshatra-based astrology books. So
अच्छा,
yeah, so some of those things which I'm trying to correlate with the work that we are doing right now, and some research in that area would be very good. So these two areas, I think, basically, I would recommend
mm-hmm.
my side.
Okay, right. Good. I
Otherwise,
think,
as I said, people are already using the site for there is some, they must be using it for whatever they want to. I don't even know.
right. I think, I mean, going through the website, yes, research के लिए तो definitely it's a good this thing. I mean, you can have it open and बहुत कुछ निकल के आता है, and then that entire um, table where your once you add the life events, all your life events are added, और उसमें महादशा, प्रत्यंतर दशा और वो दशा तीनों लिखा हुआ है साथ में, and they have that color coded, right, जो वो आपने कलर के साथ लिखा हुआ है, that's very, मतलब once you have stuff written in there, वो बहुत clearly चीजें समझ में आएंगी उससे तो।
Hmm. Yeah, the idea is that the entire life can be mapped. You can define that this period was red or bad for me, and this was the beginning when the red thing started, and up to this time it was red, and then it became yellow, and then green, and again red for some time, and then green. So that way, the entire life you can see that
Right,
is how it is moving, and somehow it should map to Andashad and Antardashad, which is
right, right.
very interesting.
आई रिमेम्बर एक इससे मुझे एक छोटा सा इंस्टेंस याद आया. हमारे एक सर थे इसमें भारतीय विद्या भवन में ही, मुझे ध्यान है. वो एक बार एक स्क्रोल लेके आए थे. उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ को पूरा एक के नीचे एक, एक के नीचे एक, एक के नीचे एक, ऐसा सही एक पूरा टेबल सा बना के मैप कर रखा था, और सारे लाइफ के इवेंट्स उन्होंने लिखे हुए थे. तो राइट फ्रॉम हिज बिगिनिंग आई रिमेम्बर, शायद उनकी स्कूलिंग में कोई चोट लगी, कॉलेज का एंट्री हुई, कॉलेज में कोई पेपर हुआ, वो अच्छे नंबर हुए, कहीं पे फेल हुए, कहीं पे कुछ और चीज हुई, शादी, बच्चा, ये वो, ऑल ऑफ दोज इवेंट्स ही हैड मैप्ड एंड मेड अ एंटायर स्क्रॉल आउट ऑफ इट. आई रिमेम्बर एक बार वो क्लास में लेके आए थे, मुझे याद आ रहा है, दिखाया था मैंने.
Mm.
तो those things are helpful. Good, I think, sir, this was really helpful. Your views on the entire research field, as well as talking about your product and understanding a bit of what Astrolinked is doing and किस दिशा में जा रहे हैं. So you mentioned that you don't predict on a regular basis, but does your wife do it, or
Not on a
I
regular
mean,
basis. Yeah.
acha.
Yeah.
Okay. But what is the best way to reach out to you, for the viewers or for anybody who's looking at this? Your site, your
Yeah,
email
my
ID?
website is there, and or on the social media also. Mm.
Hmm. Cool, cool. Sounds good. ठीक है sir, thank you. This was really good, and thank you for your time.
Thank
Really helpful
you.
and really interesting, and a good discussion here.
Yeah, yeah,
Thank
same
you,
here.
sir.
Enjoyed a lot, and thanks for inviting me.
Thank you, sir. Talk to you again.